Hi guys! Let's explore how Adobe Firefly's generative fill functions. Visit the Adobe Firefly AI website to utilize this. Select the Generate option from the Generative Fills menu. Here are a few instances you can use to test how it functions. Give it a try if you want to learn something. Select your desired image by clicking on Upload Image button. To delete the background and alter it as we please, click on the background icon. When you enter any content into the text field and click the Generate button, your background will change and 4 options for images will appear for you to choose from. If you don't like the image, just click the More icon to see more results. You will receive a further 4 sets of photos. To save the changes, simply choose the image you prefer and click the Keep icon. It's remarkable, I know, how it transformed your image with just one click. Just continue watching till the end to see more incredible things we can produce. We will now change this girl's outfit. On the left, click the Remove icon. In the settings, you can adjust the brush size. OK, click on the area that you want changes to take place and then remove it. I'm choosing the entire area because I'm changing the entire costume. You can choose anything you want. Once the region has been chosen, click the Insert button, enter the information you want in the text box. And then click Create. AI will perform its magic while you wait. Watch the transformation. If you click further, you will see a different set of photographs if you don't like the outcome. To save changes, choose the option you like and click Keep. I'm going to alter this girl's handbag right now. You can probably accomplish this now if you just follow the same procedures we used while changing costumes. This is not the end. You can do more with your creativity. This AI will generate anything for you. We can add more items here. All you have to do is click Remove button and select the area to remove from the image, and click Insert button and type your text to generate new images. I'm adding table and a wine bottle to show you how it works. This is the final result. See how it looks now? It's great. We don't need any skills to do this, just upload and edit your photo. Comment what you like about this Adobe Firefly AI. So, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.